record.
All right, this will be case D, 587-848. Plaintiff is present. Counsel, appearance for the record.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Brandon McCoy on behalf of the defendant who is not present but appearing telephonically, bar number 10402.
All right, Ms. Camper, can you hear us?
Yes, I can.
All right. We were here on June 20th. At that time, it was indicated that the parties were going to continue the matter and see if it could get resolved. So, where are we at?
Unfortunately, we weren't able to get it resolved.
Okay.
I spoke with the plaintiff, and we're still at a crossroads. So we would be asking the court to set it for trial. The last time we were in court, we had asked child support to be addressed. My client didn't have an FDF on file, but there is one on file, and so we would ask the court to address that along with the trial date.
I show a partial, but what is the weekly schedule, if at all?
I apologize. Is it the parenting agreement?
Partial?
A partial parenting agreement?
Yeah, we entered a partial parenting agreement on June 20th.
Yeah, that was for the holidays.
Right. So,
and
but my question is, what is the I have nothing in my notes or in the minutes that indicate what the actual schedule is.
Right now, the schedule is the Saturdays, take her home at night, pick her up Sunday morning to Sunday night.
Okay. So during the day Saturday and during the day Sunday.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You understand that you're obligated for child support?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that would be 6/23. Parties separated in February.
Yes.
Is that correct, Mr. Coy?
yes, that sounds correct.
Do you need a period of discovery? And if I'm setting a trial date, I need parties' respective positions as to what they're asking for. So I'm guessing your client's asking for primary?
Correct. Yes.
And what is it you're asking for?
Joint.
Okay. Do you need a period of discovery, Ms. McCoy?
Yes, please.
So how long would that be?
Probably 4 months.
All right. If it's going to be,
I don't know when.
and again, you're not going to be penalized by that, but that's going to get us later, and I'm not going to have any problem getting you a date. Let's do this. Let's see where you're at in 4 months.
Okay.
You can do discovery up through the next 4 months. That will be the current schedule will remain in effect. we will call that calendar call, and
Okay.
if it's, once you're ready, and sir, if you're going to end up representing yourself, you might want to, there's a class over at Legal Aid Center of Southern Nevada to learn how to teach yourself how to put on a trial. Because if things are not filed or done correctly, and a default could actually get entered against you.
Last trial said we were getting joint physical with Friday night to Sunday night.
Well, we haven't had a trial yet. What last trial?
Well, last appearance on June 20th.
Again, that's stuff that I guess will be argued and discussed at trial. There,
And I'm not sure if he's referencing mediation that they did, but that would be confidential. The last time we were here in court, there wasn't any agreement or discussion from our perspective on that custody, joint or otherwise. Unless he's referencing the standard
I don't know.
of joint custody. There wasn't any agreement on our part.
4 months out, that will be, calendar call would be December 3rd at 1:30. And then we'll,
Okay.
if everybody's ready to go, we're usually slow that time of year, so if everybody's got their documents, witnesses, and everything ready to go at that time, we may be able to get you done before the end of the year, but we'll see where you're at that point.
Okay, sounds
Okay.
good.
All right. Discovery, you might want to learn how to about that. That's things that you're going to have to get, file, prove, evidence at the time of trial.
And just so I'm clear, the calendar call will be December 3rd. That will be the close of discovery as well, or?
Do you need more than 90 days?
I don't
I mean,
think so. I
30
just don't
let's
want
just-
to come back in 90 days and say.
I don't. Let's
we need-
just say 90 from today. We'll do 90 days of discovery. Then that gives 30 days of responses, which means when we're here on December, everything should have already been disclosed by that
Fair
time.
enough. Okay, let's do
Okay.
that.
Anything else till we get back?
So, the 3rd is a Sunday, so November 4th. For 30 days to close discovery.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. November 4th. Thank you.
It'd be the next following day after that. So yes.
All right, close it. Perfect. Okay. And then the child support will start.
If you need sir, that's due. I hate to make her wait another month. Best thing for you to do is just contact your Human Resources Department, have that voluntarily taken out of your check. I don't like due dates, but due to the fact that this has been going on since April and she has not received the payment, Mr. McCoy, if she hasn't received anything by, let's say, the 15th, just submit a wage assignment and you could serve it on his employer,
Okay.
so he can be paid directly. So
And then, okay, and then we'll submit a schedule of arrearages as well.
we'll deal with that at trial.
Okay.
We'll
Sounds
do
good.
it.
Fair enough.
Yeah,
Perfect.
absolutely.
Okay.
He hasn't received any because I buy everything for my daughter still.
Like,
All her clothes, everything she needs for school, her shoes, whatever she wants, needs.
And I will talk to my client, certainly, Your Honor, with
Okay.
respect to any kind of support that may have been provided, and then go
I
from
still
there.
have all my receipts from everything from February.
Well, let me just let you know right now, temporarily she has primary, and technically you don't get credit for that. So the best thing to do is just give her the money and let her buy the stuff. Okay?
And how does the timeshare work right now? Is it still Saturday during the day and Sunday during the day?
For right now, it's going to be that way until the evidentiary hearing.
All right.
Okay?
And another question: does she have the right to keep my daughter from me?
No?
All right. Thank you.
I think her attorney knows that. If she does, be sure.
I don't know if word got through to her, because
If you have a problem, call him. I'm sure he'll give her a nice talking to.
Well, it sounds like that's what the parties have been doing, is the Saturday and Sunday. So
Yeah.
I'm not sure what he's referring to.
but last week she tried to keep her from me, saying she doesn't want to be the bad guy, but she's going to take my daughter from me, keep me out of my daughter's life.
I would,
Doesn't sound like my client, but I will certainly talk to her.
I have the text messages.
all right,
But for now, it's the Saturday and Sunday, and I will
Saturday and
explain
Sunday
to her
during the
that's
day.
the schedule during the day, yes. Okay. And then, with respect to attorney's fees, we would ask that that just be preserved and
Let me, hold on a second. Is that in the minutes, Madam Clerk? That's correct. The last time we were here, Ms. McCoy, I had indicated we were going to gradually, and unless your client had something else through CPS or otherwise, there's no reason why I should deny him the overnight from Saturday into Sunday. So unless you have something with you here today, he can have her overnight on Saturday night.
okay.
All right.
I'll
So
Is that starting this weekend?
that's starting this week.
Thank you.
All right.
and then the attorney's fees, those will be continued to the trial.
Yeah, unless
Because he hasn't been
unless you
paying
can
child support.
unless you can point me something to tap into.
Just the fact that he should have been paying child support and hasn't.
I don't see.
In fact, I've been buying my daughter everything she needs.
I just don't see any accounts that I could tap into, Mr. McCoy. I mean, it does mean you're not going to get awarded it ultimately in the end.
Well, he is working.
He is working. How much, what is the max on your Credit One credit card account, sir?
One max is 300.
Your Credit One credit card account has a max of $300?
Credit One? No, that one has 400.
Yeah, but if you can find me something, Mr. McCoy, right now, I can't see anything in there.
Okay. I mainly want to preserve it, just,
Yeah, absolutely.
So, yeah.
You're not being denied the
Yeah.
request, it's just being deferred.
yeah.
So,
Okay.
all right, have a good day.
Got some more. Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.